We're gonna pick up where we left off, right? We're here on our MATLAB dashboard. Okay, so to add a third-party toolbox, we talked about apps here, right? You can install apps, but for this, you need to have already the file there, right? There's two ways to actually do this. So I'll walk you through how to move that install in. Usually, these come as zip files, and you need to unzip them. Okay, so we're actually gonna walk through one of these examples using the Trend Tool app. Okay, so Trend Tool is an additional third-party toolbox for MATLAB. We go ahead and download it, right? The latest version, you get it right here, right in master zip. Yeah, I already have this one, so I'll be uploading the last one I downloaded. And you're gonna go to interactive sessions and exactly how we did file uploads the last time. Remember, you can use the other file transfer method we learned, right? But you can also use just the open on demand. So if you go to files, home directory, you can use upload and you can browse your files. And in this case, I'm going to pick Trend Tool 3 Master. I like to stay away from the parentheses with the numbers just because they overwrite some things. So go ahead and open it, upload the file. Should upload easily. Now if we could scroll down, you'll see right here, Trend, keep going down. My bad. Let me just control that zip. There's many .zips. Let's just check for Trend Tool 3-master.zip. What's the problem here? We need to unzip it. Okay. So to unzip, we can either use the terminal, right? But for simplicity, I'll stay here and open on demand, and I'm gonna open the shell access. Okay. Remember, this gives us a terminal. Now this is not good practice. Please have your terminal open, but we're gonna use it here. So you're gonna unzip, and then you're gonna write it. Trend, and here you can click tab and it should autofill the rest of it. Trend Tool 3-master.zip. You go ahead and click enter and it should unzip. Should tell you where it's putting the thing. So in this case, it created the Trend Tool 3-master folder. Okay, so now that folder, we're going to use it to mark it as the directory which this is found. Okay, this is done. Okay, so let's go back into MATLAB itself. In MATLAB, you should now see here Trend Tool Master 3 Master in the folder, but this is not, as you can see, on my MATLAB path, which means MATLAB cannot use whatever code I have here now, whatever part of the toolbox is here. So we go ahead and right click, okay, and you're gonna go add to path, select folders, my bad. Yes. So now that folder is included. Now, let's say you're working on multiple things or you have multiple MATLAB programs, all different using different toolboxes. You can go ahead and click, right click, remove from path, selected folders. And now that is not on your path. This way you can avoid things, particularly if you're installing third-party toolboxes. If someone has similar names and you want to avoid it, or you're using very drastically different code, just go ahead and be careful what is or is not in your path. So you can tell by what is different colors, right? What is included or not included on your path. Makes sense. So that is how you do a third-party toolbox install on MATLAB here. Okay. Now, if there's any package that already comes and you bring in the same way, you unzip it, you have that file. You can go ahead and install app and click if you have an ML app install extension, right? You can go ahead and click enter, bap, and you will be able to install the app that way. Okay. So, but this is the way we do toolboxes. Okay. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.